The second proof has to see precisely with the measurement tool of ancient Egyptians to fix their measure of length, the Egyptian cubit. This evidence has been in front of our eyes all the time, referring to the Egyptian cubit design. The unique original examples that have been preserved belong to the period of the New Kingdom, and their design look like a marvelous reality. The Egyptian cubit was divided into 28 segments. The whole of them is the equivalent to the diameter of the circumference in the geometrical pattern. In fact, some royal cubits, still preserved, were divided into two parts, each of them divided into 14 segments. Besides, according to the design of the royal Egyptian cubit, these 28 segments were gathered into 7 fists of 4 fingers each. All this research makes us realize that the origin of the royal Egyptian cubit begins with the geometrical pattern. The fact that the Egyptian cubit were divided into 28 segments has never made sense to either Egyptologists or historians, who have tried unsuccessfully to match this design to different theories. The design of the Egyptian cubit seems confusing if we take into account that the mathematics developed originally on base 10 in ancient Egypt. It is to say, its counting methodology would start from the unity to 10, 100, 1,000, and they even had a hieroglyph for the million. Let's imagine we divide our 100 centimeter meter into 28 segments. It would not make sense, as it has not made sense so far the design of the royal Egyptian cubit. Only when this measure is framed into the geometrical pattern, this tool of length measurement makes sense. We have verified that the exact measures in all the structures that respond to alpha rectangle and beta rectangle are multiples in length of 14, and that the royal Egyptian cubit was divided into 28 segments when it was an entire piece, and in 14 segments, each half when it was divided into 2.